25 years of creating admired communities and transforming skylines across the country, Rockwell Land sets its sights to the heart of Central Luzon. In partnership with the Nepo family's realty arm, 1D Nepo Realty, Rockwell at Nepo Center will be the first Rockwell Center beyond Metro Manila, bringing its signature of elevated living, exclusivity, safety, and convenience to Angeles City, Pampanga. Located in the heart of Central Luzon, it is at the frontier of economic growth and suburban living. It is only a few minutes away from some of the region's prestigious universities, exciting retail destinations, and Clark, home to international hotels and an international airport. At 4.5 hectares, this mixed-use development in Nepo Center comprises dedicated lush spaces, 3 mid-rise residential buildings, lush greeneries, and a power plant mall, the very first expansion of our beloved retail icon. Power Plant Mall Angeles will feature curated shopping spaces, delectable dining experiences, and a distinct ambiance that Kapampangans have come to love about the original. Whether you're coming home to or visiting Pampanga, Power Plant Mall Angeles promises to be a standout in the region. Living in Rockwell's first address in Pampanga gives the residents and patrons serenity and peace of mind, as this elevated property carries the same safety measures adopted by all Rockwell developments, prioritizing utmost security at all times. Just a few steps away, right across Power Plant Mall Angeles, are the residential blocks, the Manansala, and the Bencab. Make Rockwell at Nepo Center your residence or investment of choice, and choose from its diverse range of units, meticulously designed for starting couples, growing families, and retirees to create a life they were meant for. It all began with the Manansala, the first to launch and home to the first community. And now, the Bencab, located in the heart of the amenities, featuring condominium units ranging from 32 square meter studios to 126 square meter 3 bedrooms. All with choice. Charming views of Mount Arayat, Power Plant Mall Angeles, or the Zambales Mountain Range. Living in Pampanga will be redefined through Rockwell at Nepo Center, as it features 78% open space, making this master plan community a haven for vast open spaces and exclusive amenities. Swimming pools, great lawn, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, function room, landscape gardens, fully equipped fitness gym, equipped with Rockwell's signature 100% backup emergency power, a specialized residential leasing team, and a dedicated property management office. Bask in peace of mind as amenities, facilities, and road networks are kept in excellent condition. Be part of this growing and elevated community in the heart of it all and experience the perfect blend of Filipino fine living inspired by Rockwell's signature touch and Pampanga's vibrant culture. Come home to a master-planned masterpiece in Angeles City, Pampanga. Come home to Rockwell.